it going?
Yeah. Safe.
All right, let's go see what I did. You don't have to run. Oh my gosh, look at that. What is that? What is that right there? What is that, Ted?
Bullseye!
And here's my videographer.
All right.
So what do you think of that?
I got a shooting wench, baby. The Zumba shooting wench. Perfect twanger.